Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to adjust the text in your own cell. Here we can see that the email and cell are in the name cells. So we can go to this cell and we can copy the email, control X mean that cut, and control V. Then we can go to again cell, control X and then control V. So it take time and more difficult to adjust the text in your own cell. So I have a small trick use here, like so we can also try this. We can select this cell first and then control shift and down arrow. Here we can see that all data are selected here. Then we can go to data here and then go to data tools, go to text to column, click here, then select next, then we can select other, only check on other, and then press alt J and then next and then finish. Here we can see that email are adjust in and cell are also adjust, name are also adjust. So we can adjust the cell column also. So select this and we can adjust like this. Here we can see that so they are adjust with respect to text. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.